Welcome to the remains of a town forgotten by time. A town fading into oblivion. A town taken over by the wild. Welcome to the ghost town of Catarina, Texas. Legend holds that it's the name of a Mexican woman killed by Indians in the area. By 1910, there was a small community at the location. Soon, a bunkhouse, a commissary, a hotel, a post office, and a small schoolhouse were built. A few blocks past the antique store is the partially overgrown Catarina School. The building has fallen to ruin, but its poured concrete structure makes certain that the skeleton will survive for years to come. By 1929, Catarina had between 1,000 and 2,500 residents, a bank, at least 2 grocery stores, a lumber company, and a bakery. Short supplies of water, marketing problems, and the Great Depression damaged the town. By 1931, the population had dropped to 592, and many of its businesses had been forced to close. By 1990, the population had dropped down even further, to 45. Today, deer, rabbits, snakes, and other wildlife roam freely through the desolate dirt roads of Catarina. The Catarina Cemetery, located at the end of a winding, unpaved road a couple of miles from town, was, up until recently, heavily overgrown. However, when I arrived to explore, it seemed like a landscaper had come and cleaned it up relatively recently. It is now in relatively great condition for its age. Also found in the area are the charred remains of the historic Palm Suite and Inn, which was built in 1926 during Catarina's heyday. The hotel burned down mysteriously in May of 2020. Investigators were unsure what started the fire, but the result was a total loss. All that remains now of the once glorious Palm Suite and Inn are the walls. Despite all of the tragedy surrounding the remains of this town, there was something beautiful about exploring it. The peace, the quiet, the solitude. Besides, this is the kind of place where you can let your imagination run wild. Standing there, among the ruins, you can, for one brief moment, travel back in time and imagine what life must have been like in this town 1 or even 2 centuries ago. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Hi, this is Mauricio from ExploreRC. If you liked my content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account, ExploreRC. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.